Today, we're having a party with the new Planything subscription boxes. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is the 15th of the month, which means it's time to reveal the brand new Planything subscriptions for the month of May. These are good ones. Like I said, we're having a party. You can see there is confetti in the box. It is a celebration of the 5th year of Planything. So amazing. Congratulations to Amber. I have both the washi tape subscription, which is Cowgirl Vibes. Stop it with how cute this bag is. I'm obsessed. And then, as mentioned before, this is the planner subscription, and its theme is Life is a Party. I'm excited. Let's dive into these subscriptions. Now, if you haven't ordered from Planything before, the subscription comes out if you start, it comes out on the 15th. That's when slots open up for the subscription. Grab one while they're available because they do sell out. When you subscribe, you're committing to 3 months. These are so affordable, so lovely, so fun, and they just arrive to your house each and every month. You're going to love it. I'm pretty excited. We're going to dig into the subscriptions and then do a plan with me. Don't forget, I do have an affiliate link down below and a coupon code to save you on your order. Let's go. Okay, we are going to start with the washi tape subscription. I happen to think the washi tape subscription may be more popular than the planner subscription because I think that Planything does, oh, I don't want to tear it because I like this bag. I think she does some of the best washi tape out there, you guys. It's perfect for filling up your stash. It's great colors. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you have, let's see, this month we have 6. We do have 6 this month. We have 2 of what I call the medium and 4 of the skinnies. I am going to open all these up and swatch them out and we'll talk about them. Okay, so here are our 6 washi tapes. I do feel like they're a little bit more theme based than what we normally see in the washi tape subscriptions, but I'm not mad about it. Look at the adorable cowboy boots in all of the bright colors. You have cowboy boots right here, and then these are the hats. This feels like gorgeous Valentine's colors, first of all, but it also feels really rich and vibrant for the summer, which is going to be so much fun to use these. Again, I think these are fabulous for really building up your washi stash. Lots of basics. I'm always obsessed with the scalloped washi. It's always my favorite, but I'm digging the striped and like it's all good. I cannot recommend the washi tape subscription more. It is so fantastic. And this is a really fun set, a little different, which is nice to change things up. But remember, the washi tapes that you get in the subscription are not sold individually. So if you love these, then you want to sign up for the full subscription so that you can get this array of washi in your mailbox. I'm going to move these and then let's unbox the subscription planning kit. Okay, so the planner subscription kit generally comes with a sticker book, has a little bit of washi tape in it. It's like a little bit of everything and usually a bonus item that I'm pretty excited to see what Amber does this month. First of all, another cute bag. She's killing it on all the bags. Oh, it's birthday themed. Oh, it's my birthday month and I'm really excited. Okay, so we have in here 3 different washi tapes, a beautiful purple that looks like confetti. Let me see if I can get this one open real fast. Yeah, it looks like party confetti kind of coming out. Let me get this one started so you all can see it too. That is so pretty. Then you have a light stripe. I always find that I need more birthday stickers. Are you guys running into that thing too? Because obviously, I like birthday spreads for my birthday, but also I like to do it for kiddos. I like to do it for friends. So, ooh, this is pretty. This is giving Easter vibes. I like that a lot. And then this one is the balloons that are spelling out happy birthday. Let's check this one out. This is going to be good. It's always a little tricky to get it started. How cute. Balloons to spell out happy birthday. I love that. Those are some good washi tapes. Okay, so you have the washi tape. You have this. This looks like a pocket. I think it's an adhesive pocket. Let's see. Ooh, there's multiples. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this is a pocket. It's a clear pocket. It's sticky on the back. What I have done in the past is I put these on the inside cover of my planner. They're great for holding little cards, little notes, maybe even a set of small Post-it notes, something like that. Obviously, I'm obsessed with the glitter. And you get 3 of them. That's cool. I don't think she's done these before. Now, I'll be honest, I don't use these forever. I use them for a little bit as like a decorative element to add a slight bit of function, something in my planner. And then I use it for a few weeks and I take it off. Then I do something different. I think if you took this on and off, the stickiness would go away. So I would not like try to reuse it. But don't think that once you put it on, it's permanent. I've taken mine off in the past with different brands and it's done just fine. I love that. That's super fun. Okay, so that's a little bit different. I'm here for that. Then we have some cardstock. People have asked, what do you do with the cardstock? You can do a lot of things with this cardstock. It is cut in A5 size, and with the elephant. I've used it just as fun cardstock in my spread. I use scrapbook paper all the time in my spread. So tearing it and using it in different ways. You could also punch it and put it straight into your planner. Party time with the elephant. So cute. That's adorable. Oh, look at her. You could cut out these images that are nice and big and have them in your planner. There's lots of ways you can do it. You could laminate it and create a cover for a smaller planner. It's your creativity is the limit. You can do a lot of different things. And sometimes you can use them in projects that have nothing to do with your planner. If you're making a birthday card, if you're making a sign, whatever it is, have fun with it. Don't think there's only one way to use these. Okay. Then last but not least, let me just move these over here. We have Life is a Party. It's 20 sticker sheets. It looks like it's all birthday themed, which is going to be fabulous. Beautiful pastels. I like the Planything stickers tend to be smaller scale stickers. Not all of these will be, but on the smaller side, which is great if you use a smaller planner. They are just really easy to incorporate. You have 2 sticker sheets. These are on clear sticker paper. Then we go into balloons. Beautiful balloons and banners. 2 of each, it looks like. This one has all the kid feels for kiddo birthday party. The little animals. This has like first birthday written all over it. The snake is adorable too. Confetti. That's fun. And these girls. Happy birthday. Look at all the gifts. Look at the little dogs hanging out. That's cute. Fun. 2 pages of that. And then you have some functional stickers. I feel like this is covering a bigger variety. I'm not sure about all the colors to match, but let's see. Oh, these are all individuals. That's a lot of balloons. A lot of tiny individual balloons. Love the letters. Love the alpha. That's fun. Super cute. Those are adorable. And the numbers. So you don't get quite as many functional boxes this time around. That's a little different for Amber. You only have the 2 pages of the functional boxes. So I feel like you'll have to incorporate some other ones with these, but I think these are beautiful and I'm very excited to use them. Plus, like I said, I always need more birthday, more celebration stickers. I just find that I need it. So I'm excited to play with these. Let's do that right now. Let's do a plan with me. Don't forget, it is the 15th when you are seeing this video, and that means these subscriptions are now open. They can and will sell out. So head on over. I have the affiliate link down below and a coupon code to save you. I think it saves on your first subscription order. So check that out. Otherwise, let's plan with me. All right, I decided to decorate a couple of different daily pages that I can use for the week of my birthday, which happens to be in the month of May. And I'm excited to use all of these goodies to decorate them and celebrate. I'm working on the daily journaling layout first. It has all of these little kind of compartments that help you track different parts of your life. And I love the size of Planything stickers for my daily sheets because it gives me a little bit of decoration, a little burst of color without taking up the entire page. Like I can still have a super functional layout, which is what I'm looking for in a daily layout, but I can have the little celebratory touches as well. So I'm going to use several of the different sticker sheets in here. You can see I kind of just nestle stickers in the corners of the boxes so that I can still write. I am going to add a couple of functional boxes here under focus. And then normally in the dot grid section in the bottom, I track gratitude. So I'm going to put a box right here that will mark gratitude. Let's add another banner because I think on a birthday spread, you can't have too many decorations. I think you get to go all out on any sort of birthday spread. But see, it's just a cute little touch. I love adding little touches to my daily planner pages. I can't have them take too long because come on, it's a daily page. You got other stuff to do and I still need to write all over them. So these are just the perfect touches. And actually, the Planything washi tape is just so great for when I don't have time to decorate. Just one strip of washi tape at the bottom or the top gives a little color, gives a little fun without taking any time at all. This particular set definitely has a little bit of a little kid feel to it with all of the animals, but I still think it is so sweet. And so many of us are making spreads for all of the people in our lives, including the kiddos, whether they're your kids, your grandkids, nieces and nephews, or friends of friends. I think we all like to celebrate all the kids in our lives. And I kind of think celebrating a kid's birthday is just so fun. Had to have our little snake holding the purple balloon. That's how we're tying in all of this purple washi tape. And then the flamingo. I like the idea that all of these animals are friends. Like they're just hanging out. I feel like they're all at the zoo. Personally, this is definitely like they're hanging out at the zoo. This is not in the wild because, we're just hanging out at the zoo having a good time. How sweet are they? I ended up deciding to add a little bit more washi tape here under the task list as well. I had a little issue getting the washi tape off, but we're going to add one more little strip. This is such a sweet little spread. It's so fun decorating these daily planner pages. I just do them in big batches and then use them throughout the week or throughout the month. The other one was my daily journaling layout. Oops, one more little piece of washi tape because why not? The next daily page that I'm going to decorate is what I call the daily dashboard. It is much more open, much more flexible. There's lots of things you can do. I was desperate to use this super cute Cowgirl Vibe washi tape subscription. So I'm just going to layer a bunch of washi tape. And that is what I was talking about. A few strips of washi tape go a long way to creating simple decor on a journaling page or on your planner page. And if you're like me and obsessed with washi, you love just collecting it, especially super themed washi, I think this is one of the best ways to use it. I say all the time, Planything has the best kind of basics, the grid, the scallops. She has such great basics that you can use in lots of different spreads in lots of different ways. When you have a theme one like this, you're not going to use this in every spread all the time, but to add special touches to certain weeks or little pops of a theme every now and then, I think this washi tape is going to be perfect for that. I was just going to do washi tape on this particular spread, but as I was putting it on, that cute bag is just staring at me, waiting for it, begging to be cut up and used on a spread. So I thought, let's You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's cut out a couple of these boots because they're too adorable to leave on the bag. So I'm going to trim out a couple of the different boots. We're going to use them as paper pieces on our spread just to add a little extra something onto the spread to complement the Cowgirl Vibes washi tape. I'll use these, and then I'm going to just jot in or draw in a couple of my own boxes. Like I said, it's one of the reasons I do like the daily dashboard layout is because there's so much flexibility. You can create additional lists. You could have some journaling spots. You could do a lot of different things in that grid area. And I'm just going to create a couple of boxes, most likely to document gratitude and maybe to do a check-in or an affirmation of some sort on this particular day. This is the only daily page that I'm making today that is not birthday themed, but it still feels celebratory. I mean, if you're going to put those boots on, then you're probably celebrating something. That's all I'm saying. All right, like I said, I'm going to wrap this one up with my little dash line boxes, something I do all of the time. And it's cool because you can set your own box sizes. If you need 3 boxes, if you need a long skinny one, you can just draw it yourself, and that saves stickers as well. The last page that I'm going to make is on the back here, and I'm going to just embrace the confetti and play a little bit with those font stickers with the balloon stickers in the back. Let's use that scalloped washi again because we all know I'm a tiny bit obsessed with these scalloped washi. We're going to put that at the top and then just have confetti spilling out from this washi tape. I think I've decided that I prefer confetti in sticker form. Please let me know if you agree. I like the concept of confetti, but now that I'm the one that has to do the cleaning up, the actual implementation of confetti is a nightmare. No, thank you. I do not want to do confetti cleanup. So on my birthday, there will be no actual confetti. That's for darn sure. Let me know, am I the only one that's a little bit anti-confetti? I guess every now and then would be fine, but that's definitely an every now and then type situation. All right, a little washi at the bottom, and then I'm going to write happy 42 for my 42nd birthday. And once those letters are on, that will be it for this plan with me and these flip throughs. What do you think of the Planything subscription? I've heard from many of you how much you love getting these each month, and I can certainly see why. It's just a little bit of happiness that lands in your mailbox each month. And this one is especially happy because it's all about partying it up and a sticker book that you're going to use over and over again. Don't forget, I do have the Planything affiliate link down below, as well as a coupon code for you to use to save on your order. So check those things out. These subscriptions are available starting May the 15th. So head on over to Planything and see if you can snag one of those spots. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.